Hello, welcome back to RC Workshop. So today I'm doing a little review on my Hubsan H501s. This is a fantastic little quad. Really loving it, guys. On-screen display. The thing just sits there for days, honestly, in the same spot. It's a bit windy today, like I say, but the video footage as well off of this is fantastic. I've actually just lost this thing in the clouds and managed to bring it back with a return to home. Couldn't see it at all. Press return to home. I was somewhere way out there above them houses. Anyway, what I'll do is when I get back, show you around this, guys. Fantastic little drone for the money. Show you the features on it. Anyway, see you in a bit. Right then, guys, so let's have a little closer look at this drone from Hubsan. Ah, what a cracking piece of kit. Brushless motors all around. Nice and easy to change the props on. Nice solid frame. What more can I say? The lighting looks really good on it as well. A fixed camera. There's no way of changing the camera angle. But that's not a problem, like I say, for a fun drone. First timers are going to love this drone. I wished I'd got one before I actually got the DJI Spark, because as there isn't as much value floating up in the air, it's a lot more fun. I've took this out a fair few times now and it can be trusted. Unlike my DJI that I had, couldn't actually be trusted at all. I have done a few modifications. What we'll do first though is just fire it up. It's got a nice little chime as well. There you go, you got the lights. It just goes through the lights first, and then it'll give us a nice chime in a minute. There you go. The remote. Obviously we need to calibrate the compass every time we go out, but the remote's got a brilliant little screen on it as well. Let's just have a look, there you go. That's helpful, that screen is. It's like doing a bit of FPV if you want. It has got the FPV goggles slot on the side, so if you want to get some goggles, you can take pictures from the remote, videos from the remote. Return home button is right there, just click that up and it'll come down from out the sky. Also, if the signal's lost from the remote, this thing also returns to home. You obviously need to wait before you get at least 6 GPS signals on the remote and on the quadcopter before you use it, and then you've got a GPS switch there as well. What I have done on mine is I've modified it already. The aerials and that sit inside the remotes are quite small. So it's real simple, real quick and easy to do, guys. It literally takes you half an hour to drop some new aerials on there. No soldering at all. Let's just see if we can find one out. I've also got the carry bag for mine. It just makes life a hell of a lot easier. Let's just try and find this old little... Where's it gone? Yeah. Here it is. So this is the old Wi-Fi, or is it the Wi-Fi or the GPS? I can't remember. But it literally clips on by that little clip right there. And that's all you've got to do. And drill a small hole in your remote for the antennas to go in. Real easy, simple, quick and easy mod, guys. Give you a bit more range, a bit more trust in the sky, let's say. I have sent this a couple of miles out, and again, not a problem at all. It's a fun little drone. It's got some nice little rubber feet on there as well for soft landings. It's a solid little thing. It's brilliant, absolutely fantastic. If you're looking at getting your first drone and you're wondering which one to get, I would definitely recommend this. It's a lot of fun. There is follow me as well on this, which is real simple. You press the buttons down on the remote and you got additional features on there when you press them down. To fire this thing up, both sticks down to the left hand corner on this one, right hand corner on this one, and it fires up and spins up on the spot, and then you use your throttle to literally bring it up into the air. I'm not a drone expert, guys, but this is a fantastic little starter drone. I've also already been and got me 2 extra batteries for it, so I've got a bit more power, plenty of time out with it using it. That's what you want in it, really. You want to go out there and use it for at least an hour. Well, the battery that comes with it, the original black one, I get about 25 minutes out of this one battery, or even 30 minutes if you're just taking it easy. So what I've done is bought the same exact batteries from a different make obviously, but still 2700 mAh 30C discharge rate. Just so I've got at least an hour and a half when I'm out with it. This thing handles really well in the wind, guys. It's just a quick overview. Like I say, I'd definitely recommend getting one if you're looking for your first drone. This video is going up a bit late because this drone has actually been out quite some time now, but you can get them dirt cheap, and for the footage that you get off there and the fun that you can have with it, I definitely recommend getting out there and getting one. So anyway, yeah, see you in a bit. So there you have it, guys, the Hubsan H501s. What a fantastic little piece of kit, like I say. Please rate, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. See ya! 200 meters high. It's up there somewhere. Yeah, boy! 200 meters.